Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to make text bigger on Facebook. So you have to just open your Facebook app. So you will see it there. The text are normal size. You can read it, but it's slow and small of text is all. So now you have to fix text is bigger on Facebook. So it will how you can go to the phone settings and click to display, and there is text and display size. You don't change the display of text style. You have to back and click to text size. So you will have to click to text and display size. So you will only so you have to increase the text size, and you will see set of your choice by reading you clearly and see you clearly. So you will not set the display size, you will set only text size. So I will increase the full of text size. You will see there is the I can read it. Its text size is very zoom and large. It will be also display of my home screen. It will also application names by large size, and I will refresh the Facebook and it will also Facebook text size is large. You will see it will zoom and text size is large on Facebook. This is how to change text size bigger on Facebook. Hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.